Hello mga kapatid, kamusta kayong lahat dito? So ang reading natin ngayon is, ano ang mensahe ng universe at this moment for you? So this is timeless reading. Whenever you watch this video, meaning, um, may mensahe sa universe para sa'yo. Importanteng mensahe sa universe. Alright? Alright, short message lang tayo dito mga kapatid. Para hindi na masyadong matagal. Oh, sorry. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels. Ano yung importanteng mensahe para sa ating mga viewers ngayon? Whenever they watch this video, timeless reading. Important message. What is all about? Spirit Guide Angels. Oh my God. So we have here love. Love and the runner. Maybe you guys are dealing about it's like a karmic. Maybe this could be your karmic person. It's about twin flame. This could be a twin flame kasi ang twin flame dito, yung isa ay aalis or maybe there's a separation method sa inyong dalawa. Yeah. Meron kasi ditong the runner when it comes to twin flame, ano? Yeah. Magkakahiwalay and then at the end of the day, magkakabalikan din when the time is right, when the two of you learned your lesson, both of you. So, alamin natin kung para saan itong mensahe nito ni universe para sa iyo. Spirit Guide Angels. What is this about the love? So love, unconditional love, self-love, oneness, passion, affection, attraction. So the runner is codependent relationship, fear of intimacy, listening to ego. So yeah, so maybe this person is afraid. Okay? You know what? Alamin pa muna natin itong tarot decks na ito. Itong oracle decks. What is this about the love, Spirit Guide Angels? Important message about love. Love and the runner. Page of Swords. Okay. Tell me more about this Page of Swords, please. Page of Swords of love. Alright. So I'm getting like maybe you are being so protective. Okay. Alright, yung iba sa inyo dito, protect yourself. I know you are loving yourself. Kasi meron itong, you love yourself. You take good care of yourself. Iniingatan mo sarili mo. Maybe you are afraid of getting hurt anymore. And it's okay to protect yourself from these people na could harm you, could hurt you. Yeah. And your spirit guide, just to let you know, your spirit teams, guardian angels, is helping you to protect your heart na hindi ka masaktan. Na maprotektahan ka sa mga taong manloloko. Yes. To confirm, it's okay to avoid this itong mga manliligaw. Avoid this situation. Siguro takot ka pa na hindi ka pa ready. Kasi meron itong hindi ka pa ready. Dahil nagkaroon ka lang siguro ng trauma. Siguro nakailang relasyon ka na. Siguro pagod na. I'm hearing like pagod ka na. Kaya nga that's why you are loving yourself. You are focusing yourself na mapapaganda ka na lang, mapapagwapo ka na lang. Hayaan mo sila na ma-fall sa kagandahan or sa kagwapuhan mo. Because, kasi para sa'yo, yung love na yan, sasaktan lang ako. May stress lang ako. It's okay na focus lang muna ako sa pag-aaral. Speaking of pag-aaral, the message for you here, if you are still a student, kung ikaw nag-aaral pa, huwag mo munang i-focus sarili mo sa relasyon. Tama lang na i-focus sarili mo sa pag-aaral. Because your guardian angel is here trying to tell me to tell you. Mag-ingat ka. Ingatan mo sarili mo. Ingatan mo yung puso mo na hindi ka masaktan. Kasi if you are in a relationship during your studies, masasaktan ka lang at mapapabayaan mo pa ang iyong pag-aaral. Maapektuhan yung emotions mo. So it's okay to protect yourself. Protect yourself when it comes to this love life matters. Lahat tayo nagmamahal, ano? But then again, if you are a student, your spirit guide spirit teams is telling me to tell you, focus ka muna sa pag-aaral. Darating din yung person mo. Darating ka rin dyan sa relationship. Kasi if you are in a relationship during your studies, masasaktan ka lang at mawawala yung pangarap mo. Pangarap mo na makapagtapos ng trabaho, pangarap mo na ma-achieve yung mga goals mo. Kasi pag once na you're in a relationship, and then there's like a mga problema sa relationship, kasi may mga struggle talaga no when it comes to relationship, maapektuhan yung pag-aaral mo. Masasaktan ka. Lahat ng mga pinapangarap mo, mawawala. Because you will be in pain. So again, love yourself. Focus on your studies muna before this relationship. It's okay to run away. Takbuhan mo itong mga nangliligaw sa'yo. Takbuhan mo itong mga humahabol sa'yo. Focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Yeah. Wow. Okay. It's okay. I'm getting the energy na hindi lang sa ikaw ay nag-aaral, meron din ditong iba sa inyo dito na, especially if you are single, I'm getting the energy of people are laughing about you. People are laughing about you kasi siguro if you are in a relationship, may maririnig ka pang sasabihin ng mga tao. Uy, wag yan kasi yan, babaero. Uy, wag yan, sasaktan ka lang ng taong yan. Uy, wag yan kasi pipirahan ka lang niya. Yung sabihin natin na parang walang naging tama para sa'yo. Yeah. Like again, guys, pay attention din sa mga advice ng mga pamilya, kapatid. Kasi meron din kasi mga tao na nakikita, like again, love is blind, as a reminder. Love is blind. Hindi mo nakikita, pero yung mga tao sa paligid mo, sila nakakaalam. Sila nakakaramdam. It's okay to hear all what they can tell you about what they sees. Kung ano yung nakikita nila sa karelasyon mo. About this person. Kasi meron ditong mapagod ka na. Kung sino yung gusto mo, ayaw nila. Bakit ganon? Sino bang pipiliin mo? Mahirap maghanap ng para sa'yo. Kasi, your family members, very selective. Marami silang comment pagdating sa iyong karelasyon. Napagod ka na. But then again, yeah, you're feeling like anxiety. Minsan, umiiyak ka na lang, feeling mo alone ka. Guys, a message for you here. It's okay to be alone. Because the people around you, yung mga tao sa paligid mo, they just want you to be safe. Sinisave ka nila para hindi ka masaktan. Huwag natin isipin na hindi ka nila mahal. Kaya nga, di ba, napaka-selective nila para sa'yo dahil mahal na mahal ka nila. But then again, if you're at the right age, isipin mo kapatid, may mga consequences din when it comes to relationship. Panindigan mo itong taong pipiliin mo. Kasi pinaglaban mo, di ba? Kung kaya mong paglabang tong taong ito, then you don't have to listen to what people says about this person. Yeah. Panindigan mo. Kung ikaw tong tao may panindigan. Kung wala ka ng panindigan, kung okay lang, then wala talaga. Nasa tamang edad ka naman na. Hindi ka na teenager. And then again, as a reminder, wag natin na ilagay sa masamang palaisipan yung mga tao sa paligid mo, yung mga comment nila. Because these people are just, I'm hearing like, they could be jealous. Yung iba. Yung iba naman dito, napaka-protective lang. Kasi they just don't want you to be in pain or masaktan muli. They just want you to focus on learning, studies, or something na, focus ka sa sarili mo, something na, whatever you can do na mas ma-improve yung buhay mo. Yeah. At wag mong ikulong ang sarili mo dahil nag-iisa ka. Yeah. I'm getting the energy here that the message for you here, kapatid, try to do something else. If you are alone, not in a relationship, wag mong, like again, a message for you here, important message for you here kasi meron itong nagmumukmuk na lang, parang nagiging bitter na, or siguro I'm getting like bored. Bored dito. You could be bored watching this video, but then again, sa lifestyle mo ngayon, very specific, someone here, whoever watched this video, bored sa buhay. It's not because you are bored, you are single, wala kang karelasyon, wala ka nang gagawin sa buhay. Enjoy life. This is an opportunity. This is like kasi alam mo, minsan, being single is also a blessing in disguise. Nilalayo ka ng guardian angel mo o yung mga pamilya mo sa kasamaan. The people or the person na, just use you. Gagamitin ka lang, sasaktan ka lang. Especially, the universe is guiding you. They don't want you to be in pain. They don't want you to be, in a toxic relationship. They want what's best for you. So being alone is not being alone is, hindi na blessing. Hindi ka na, hindi ka na masaya. The universe wants you to enjoy life being single. This is a blessings for you. Walang nananakit sa'yo, emotionally, physically. Yeah. Try to do something like, we say, meet with friends. Meet with new friends. Hang out with them. Try to catch up with them. Kasi meron ditong focus ka na lang sa pag-iisip ng karelasyon, crush, or through online, relationship matters. But then again, it's okay to run away. To walk away from the toxic relationship. Yeah. Kasi nilalayo ka na ni universe eh. Nilalayo ka niya para sa mga taong toxic. They want to see you happy. They want you to evolve. They want you to focus on loving yourself instead of being in a relationship. Kasi hindi lahat ng may karelasyon ay siswertehin. Being single is also a blessing. Isipin nyo yan, kapatid. Tigil-tigilan nyo ng pagmumukmuk. Tigil-tigilan nyo na yung in-stack mo sarili mo sa bahay nang wala kang ginagawa. Yeah. Cheer up. Chini-cheer up ka na ni universe. Yeah. Being alone, it's a blessings in disguise. And it's a big, big blessings. Kasi walang nananakit sa'yo, Walang pasakit sa utak. Walang pasakit sa, puso. Okay? I'm also getting that the universe is telling me to tell you, try to do some meditation. Maybe you need meditation. Try to heal. It's like do some healing, no? Watching some videos na mawawala yung mga lungkot, yung ma-encourage ka para maiba yung mood mo. So again, this reading is all about to cheering you up. Nilalayo ka ng universe sa mga pasakit, sa mga darating na pagsubok na chaos, toxic. Run away. Run as fast as you can, kapatid. Okay? At saka yung mga takot mo, whatever you are afraid of, tanggalin mo na yan. Wala kang dapat na ikatakot. Manalangin ka palagi kasi andyan yung guardian angels mo, spirit team, spirit animals mo, ang Panginoon. Andyan sila. Manalangin ka dahil nakikinig sila sa iyo. Especially when it comes to a message. Maybe I'm getting like, you will be getting a message when it comes to finances. A help. Meron itong mababago. Guys, continue on manifesting. Yung mga minamanifest mo, kapatid. Continue mo lang. Especially when it comes to money. Hindi lang yung nakaupo ka lang, wala kang gagawin. Siyempre, walang darating, no? Kailangan talaga may actions. Gawan nyo ng actions, magtrabaho, magpursige, negosyo, or something like that, or through social media. Mangyayari ito, ibibigay ito ng universe. Darating ito. You will be receiving soon this money. I'm getting like money. Ace of Pentacles, there's a blessings na darating. You'll be receiving a message, okay, about money. You will be receiving about money. Kasi meron itong, habang naglilinis ka ng bahay, maybe may pabonus. Yeah. It's something about na maglilinis ka ng bahay, there is like a pabonus, may bibigay sa'yo na pabonus, or may manglilibre sa'yo, something like that. So, continue nyo lang guys ang pagpupursige nyo sa buhay. Paglilinis ng bahay, maybe there's also like idea for you from your spirit team na kung wala ka namang ding gagawin, then mag-offer ka sa mga kaibigan mo, kakilala mo na kailangan mo ng extra job, maglinis ng bahay, maglinis ng ganito ganyan, or magtitinda, something like that, para may pundar ka or may magkakapera ka, no? Para matagdagan yung yung financial, no? Kasi meron ditong namumblema ka kasi hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo when it comes to your family, sa finances, kung anong papakain mo sa pamilya mo. Yeah. So again, the universe giving you an idea na ask a friend or something na magtatanim, maglinis ng bahay. Yeah. Find a way para magkakaroon ka ng extra income. Yeah. You know what? I'm getting like, so be careful. I don't know what is this about. Spirit guidance, what is this about to be careful? Alright. King of Swords. Okay. It's all about swords. Maybe you will be dealing with someone, air sign. I'm getting like, be careful about this person. Tell me about this person, King of Swords. Bakit ba sila mag-iingat sa taong ito? Itong taong ito ay hindi ka kinakausap. This could be your boss. Mag-ingat-ingat kayo sa taong ito kasi you might be dealing with a boss or a dad, a father figure, a friend. Oh, okay. This could be your lover, your person, your relationship. Yeah, love. Okay. You know what? I'm getting the energy that if you are in a relationship, kung nakakaramdam ka, kapatid, ng it's like bump on the road. Like, hindi naman okay na yung relasyon nyo lately. Siguro may mga hindi pagkakaintindihan. There could be, maybe your person is planning to break up with you. So, be prepared in that matter. Ikaw lang nakakaalam. This is very specific. Hindi lahat ito, ha? Wait, this is about a relationship. Yeah. I'm getting like your person is about to, or is planning to cut off this relationship. I'm sorry. At meron din dito, this person is planning, there is a person na magbabalik. Maybe you're afraid. Maybe this person is running away. Maybe this could be your twin flame. This person is coming back. Babalik siya. Kasi meron itong hindi mo na siya kinausap. Hindi ka rin niya kinakausap. Maybe there is like no communication. Siguro itong taong ito ay iniwan ka na. Or break up, or ex mo na to. Maybe you are dealing with your twin flame. Again, sa mga hindi pa alam yung twin flame, research na lang, Google nyo lang, kapatid, kung ano yung twin flame journey, no? So this person is coming back, wants to reunite or wants to have a date with you. Wow. Even sa your spirit guides at saka yung spirit guides niya, nagdi-date rin, oh. Yeah. I'm getting the energy that maybe this person is coming back. Maybe you two are meant to be together in this lifetime. Even from your past life. Wow. Napaka-deep message dito. Very specific. Yeah. Kasi kahit na may mga struggle kayo, at the end of the day, kayo pa rin. Wow. Yeah. There's also, okay, guys, I'm also getting like a positive message for you here. You guys will be more on celebration very soon. Yeah. And if you needed help, try to ask help with your friends or family members when it comes to your money, financially. Yeah. Pagdating sa iyong pinansyal, humingi ka ng tulong ng kaibigan mo or mga tao sa paligid mo na that you can rely on, na siyang makakatulong sa iyo or na siyang mapagkakatiwalaan. Ask help because this person is willing to help you. Hindi kanya tatakbuhan. Yeah. If you need an idea, ask this person. Kasi meron ditong tao na willing, lalong-lalo na't kapatid mo. Meron ditong kapatid na willing kang tutulungan. Okay? And meron dito mag-reunite. The universe is trying to tell me that it's time. Deserve mo ito na magtagpo kayo. Meron ditong family members na magiging masaya kayo muli, or a long lost friendship or reunion. Something about na it's time to celebrate. Merong celebration dito, no, mga kapatid? Yeah. Reunite, wow. More on friendship dito, mga kapatid. Napaka-colorful. Yeah. Soon, you'll be very happy to receive this message, conversation, or reunite, get together with your friends. Napaka-positibong mensahe para sa dito, mga kapatid. Again, chini-cheer up ka ni universe. Hindi na oras para magmukmuk na lang dyan. It's time to get out, have some date with your lover, go out and, mag-date kayo ng person mo, or makipaghalubilo sa mga trabahante mo, kay ko itong may mga business, multiple business or business person ka, and kung ikaw itong nanay, it's time to relax and enjoy life with your children, with your mother, yung mga pamilya mo. Ito yung mga taong importante para sa'yo. Yeah, spend time with the people na yung mga taong importante para sa'yo. Go out with them. Hang out with them. Enjoy life because life is too short. Ika nga, di ba? It's true, life is too short. Kasi pag once na wala tayo sa mundong ito, wala rin, di ba? So, the next life na naman, hindi mo na sila makilala muli dahil hindi na natin sila maalala. No, magkakaroon tayo ng mga like I say, reincarnation, pero hindi na natin makilala yung mga past people natin, yung mga past family natin. So, final message na tayo, mga kapatid. Spirit Guardian Angels, what is your final message for our beloved star viewers, mga kapatid natin dito? Okay? Your wish is granted. Wow, guys, you guys are very guided by your spirit guides, spirit teams. I'm getting like, maybe you have this like a Tinkerbell watching you, no, na mga maalaw diwata or an angel. Yeah, you have an guardian angels watching you to let you know that your wish is granted because you deserve it, no? Hindi lang sa money, also a blessings with family to reunite. Kung wini-wish mo, kapatid, na sana magtagpo kaming muli ng taong ito, then your wish is granted. Isa ito sa mga wish mo na mangyayari. Wow, napaka big message for you here, mga kapatid. Wish granted, no? Reunite with your friends. Celebrate with your friends. Be with your children. Be with your mother, or nanay. Business. So, from now on, kapatid, this is the right time for you na iplano mo na itong pagbibusiness mo, a business plan. Ask family members, your partner, na kung sakasakali mag-work ba ito. Because soon, again, whatever you are wishing for, it will be granted by your spirit team, your archangels, ang Panginoon. Okay? Wow. Congratulations, mga kapatid. I am so proud of you and grateful na kayo ay igagrant na ng iyong mga spirit team ang iyong wish, itong mga pinapangarap mo. Congratulations. Naway kayo'y lagi magabayan at ingat-ingat po kayo palagi, mga kapatid, and always pray, no? Manalangin palagi because prayer is very important para sa ating lahat, no? Siya na magbibigay ng wisdom. At iba-iba yung mga ang mga beliefs natin, no? So, wala tayong bitter dito when it comes to sa mga beliefs natin, no? So, again, maraming salamat, mga kapatid. I love you guys. Good luck. And mag-wish kayo ng mas makakabuti para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo. Yeah? Hindi lang sa material na bagay. Yeah. Because the universe is trying to tell me to tell you guys as a reminder Memories, create more memories, spend more time because yun lang ang madadala natin sa kabilang buhay. The memories we have shared with our important people, yung mga taong importante para sa atin. Hindi lang yung mga material na bagay. I love you guys. Good luck at mag-ingat kayo palagi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat dito. Bye!